Today we're going to learn how to create animals eating AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment and send it to ChatGPT. It will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video and we'll choose one and send the idea number to ChatGPT. Then it will create everything for us. Now to create the video, we're going to copy the image prompt. We'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click on New Project, then click here and select image 9 to 16 nano banana 2x1. Then we'll paste the prompt and click send. After the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the video 1 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow, click here and select video frames 9 to 16 Omni Flash 8 seconds x1. Next, we'll click on the image and select animate, paste the prompt and click send. After the video is finished generating, we'll go to the last frame of this video and click save frame. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the video 2 prompt. We'll return to Flow, click on the image, select animate, paste the prompt and click send, and that's it. We finished the tutorial. Goodbye.